Today we are super excited to announce that we are now launching Agent Builder across Assist accounts. What is Agent Builder, I hear you ask? Well, very similar to Output Template Builder, Agent Builder is going to allow you to build your very own agents. Agent Builder is going to allow you to build your very own agents within Assist without the need to call on any of the Assist technical team. Let's take you through it. As with many things in Assist, Agent Builder exists across workspaces and across organizations. So that means you're going to be able to build agents both across your entire organization or within a particular workspace. We're going to start off by building an agent within our workspace. So first I click on Workspace Agents, and now I can create our first agent. We're going to build a hook writing agent to help us create those hooks that you want in your content to bring in your audience. So let's start off by giving it a title, Hook Writer. We now need to give it a mention tag. This is the tag that you're going to use to call the agent when you're in chat. So in this case, we're going to call it Hook Writer. Now we can give our agent a description, who or what this agent actually does. We can give it a color. Pink is always good. And now we get into the prompting part of creating an agent. Now there are two places where we need to produce instructions to tell the agent how to act and what to do. The first is the behind the scenes guidance. So this is the high level rules, the principles for the agent to follow when helping. It's sort of like giving it its character. How should it act? So I already have a prompt that we can use, so I'm going to paste that in here. You are a specialist copywriter focused on crafting opening hooks that grab the attention instantly, etc., etc. Tone and interaction style. Now this is more about the output that you want from the agent. How should it respond? Again, I've got a prompt that I've pre-prepared that I can put into here. Then I can decide whether I want it to be private or public. Private, only I can see it. Public, it's going to be available to the people that I choose for it to be available to. And now I can create my agent. Okay, so that's my agent created, and I could now go and interact with that agent in the main chat. Obviously, these two prompts are what's driving how it's going to respond, and you can get quite detailed in those prompts, but we can take it a step further and provide this agent with deeper knowledge and understanding of what it is that we're after. So up here in the top right, just like you have in templates, we have agent knowledge. So let's click on agent knowledge. And just like you can across the entire Assist platform, it's very simple to add knowledge for it to use. So in this case, I'm going to upload a file, and these are hook templates. So I provided it with a document that contains all sorts of good examples of good hooks that the agent can refer to. And down here, I'm going to give it an instruction on how to use this information. So save the knowledge. Save again. And now that knowledge has been attached to this agent. Let's update. We now have the knowledge inside this agent. So now let's go and try it out. So over here in my project Acme Traps, I have this project or this output that I was working on over here called Bacardi Tequila Campaign Insights, which was essentially a set of insights that we extracted from a call. So let's open that up. And now let's call our agent, Hook Writer, and let's ask it, click go. And here we go. It's now starting to produce 5 killer content hooks for your Bacardi Tequila Mezcal campaign targeting young Londoners. So we've got a contrarian hook here. 99% of Londoners think tequila is just for shots. And we go on with some really quite interesting hooks that could be used in our campaign. So there you go. That's how you can now go and build your own agents. If you want really super complex agents, then of course, get in touch with us. But this is a very, very powerful release for all the Assist users, and we can't wait to see what you start building.